Hi everyone. This is the Tineco Pure 1 Station 5 stick vacuum with a self-emptying and charging dock that also cleans its own brush roll. Tineco says that it is an easy-to-use stick vacuum, designed to do more so you do less. We are going to test their claim today. The power head has a selector to open two gates which allow larger debris to enter the brush roll and suction mouth which avoids plowing. The brush roll can be easily removed for inspection. Choose between Eco, Auto, or Max cleaning modes to match your needs. You can hear the sound of the motor change as you cycle through the options. The advanced filtration system traps 99.99% of dust particles, so you're breathing cleaner air. Watch as Tom opens the gates on the power head to allow the pistachio shells into the suction mouth. The built-in headlight reveals hidden dust, and the zero tangle roller brush means no more hair wrapped around the brush. And don't worry about the mess, it effortlessly picks up food crumbs, hair, dust, even pistachio shells. With 175 watts of powerful suction, it gets the job done fast. It comes with a 3-in-1 cleaning station that self-cleans, stores, and charges your vacuum, all in one simple step. Plus, the 2.5-liter Eco dustbin is completely bagless and only needs emptying every 45 days. But if you like to test product claims like we do, you can empty it on your kitchen floor. And add some coffee to wash it all down. Are you pulling your hair out because somebody is having a party with confetti and pistachio nuts? These bugs can run, but they can't hide. With smart detection, it automatically cleans the roller so you don't have to. I know where we can find some pistachios. Conclusions. It's a smart, lightweight, powerful stick vacuum, and it basically cleans itself. We will keep you posted on its reliability and longevity. We are very impressed with the Tineco Pure 1 Station 5. Take care, please like and subscribe.